We are Proxymity, and we're here to revolutionize the world of investor communications. Our Proxymity platform is a giant leap in efficiency and transparency. An automated shareholder disclosure solution providing a level of detail our customers had never seen before. Issuers can profile beneficial owners quickly, who and where they are, spot trends, and understand how ownership changes with time, gaining insight as to who has voted or may vote at general meetings. With these analytics, issuers can improve shareholder engagement, which is critical for better stewardship. The sheer number of intermediaries on our network ensures improved validation and faster response rates. This benefits the whole ecosystem and helps both intermediaries and issuers comply with regulations such as SRD2 in the EU. Let's work together to find ways to simplify and accelerate your investor communications. Proxymity. Investor communications for a connected world.